Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan Depaul here again. So in this video, we'll be covering Nowsite and their affiliate program going bye-bye and why they are doing that, because I'm pretty sure I've had plenty of people, if not in the comments, that have personally called me and contacted me about this. So we're going to dig into that one and talk more about that and what options you have. So you currently see me actually on Nowsite Facebook page, and this is the VP of Sales, Cheryl Coco, making an announcement. We'll get to that, but I want to actually go over this and touch on why the CEO, Justin Bellababa, said no more affiliate program. Now, officially, December 1st, 2023, the affiliate program was no more for new customers. Any new customers moving forward after that could not be an affiliate with Nowsite, plain and simple. And the reason behind this is because Nowsite has grown so much that they have gotten so much attention from network marketing companies that they want to be able to provide a service that will truly help anyone in the network marketing business and entrepreneurs without causing any kind of friction or competition or any shiny object syndrome, if you know what that means. Meaning that the affiliate program could have been a conflict of interest or cause people to lose sight of their actual reason why they got with Nowsite, to use Nowsite, their network marketing business. So they want to compete with that. So they say, okay, great, we're just going to cut it out because it wasn't really that big of a deal. It was there if you wanted to use it, if you really pushed like that. So great, whatever. That was his decision. Moving forward, the system itself is still a great system, and it works because that's why everyone's chipping at it and wanting it. And you got companies saying, "Hey, we want this for our reps, our agents, and everything like that." Now, people say, "Well, what about this? What's going to happen with this?" Well, they came up with this solution, plain and simple. You cannot make money off of Nowsite with an affiliate program. The affiliate program is gone. But you can refer people. And when I say refer people, this is it. You can actually do a 3 and free, refer 3 people, you receive myAI subscription for free, or up to $29 a month credit or higher on a higher price plan, as long as you have 3 active paying customers. They recently added, if you refer 6, receive your marketing AI subscription for free, or up to $99 a month credit on higher price plans, as long as you have 6 active paying customers. It's that simple. More referrals equal greater benefits. So here's the thing about that one. So basically, depending on what package you have, you can have myAI, you can have what was the other one? Marketing AI, and I think the last one is Marketing Unlimited, or Nowsite Unlimited. Sorry, Nowsite Unlimited. There's so many things in my head. And Nowsite Unlimited is the highest plan they have. Will they eventually say, hey, we're going to offer a way for you to earn that for free? I don't know. It could be in the air, maybe. I don't know. I'm not going to say yes or no. We'll have to wait and see. But you can get up to $99 off of your subscription right now if you have marketing AI, if you come in as a new customer, or if you refer 6 people. If you have myAI, that's up to $29. Refer 3. You see it right there, plain, simple, and black and white. So if you have more questions, feel free to ask. I'll be happy to answer those for you. But yes, officially, as of 2023, December 1st, new Nowsite customers cannot be an affiliate, plain and simple. But you can still use the service for your businesses. That's the great thing about it, because the service and the product, the system is so good, and they have a 30-day money back guarantee. But I just wanted to bring it to you guys because I know that there were some concerns. I've had videos out on how to make money with Nowsite. That is gone for new customers. If you became a new customer with Nowsite after December 1st, 2023, you don't have that ability anymore, but you can get discounts on your subscription when you refer 3 or 6 people and have active ones in your system. So with that, guys, if you have any questions, concerns, feel free to put them in the comment section below, or text me. My number is actually in the description below as well, or call me. I do answer it. I'm active on my social, so feel free to contact me and I will get back to you as soon as possible. So if you want to get started with Nowsite, if you want to use this system for your business, whether it's through your social media, whether it's through your marketing and even leads, click the link below in the comment that's pinned and you can get started right there. And if you still have questions, feel free to hit me up and ask me, and I'll be happy to answer those questions for you guys. So until the next one, guys, please like and subscribe, and take care, be safe, and be blessed.